Techie's! Welcome back again sa aking Lee's Tech channel. So we're back again for another video and this time is mag-unbox tayo ng panibagong phone ng Oppo. Yes guys, we're going to unbox the Oppo A54. So what's good about this? Meron na po siyang 128GB of internal storage. At ikinaganda nito is yung design and side-mounted na rin yung kanyang fingerprint scanner and 120Hz na touch sampling rate. So if you want to know more about the specification of this, then let's go unbox this one. Ayan na guys, so here it is, the Oppo A54 and the color that I have is the starry blue. So as you can see, this is the box of Oppo A54 and same as usual, it's a bit bulky. Then sa harap, we have the image of the phone itself. So let's take this off. Ito naman yung pinaka-box niya, which is the white. So let's take this off na rin. So here we have the mini box and inside of it guys, we have the clear case, pin ejector, and of course the quick guide. And here, ito na yung unit. So let's take this off. And by the way, before we go on sa unit guys, let's check muna sa other accessories. Ayan, medyo solid naman yung kanyang cable. So now, let's go on now directly sa unit. So as you can see, we have here the Oppo A54. And let's take off the cover. Ayan na, excited na ako sa starry blue. And there you go, ito yung front niya. And good thing is, punch hole na rin siya guys. And ito naman yung kanyang likod. And ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, para siyang glass na may pa-rainbow effect. It has a glossy finish. So we have here the 3 rear cameras and the LED flash. In fairness guys, ang ganda ng kanyang disenyo at ng color. Kung makita nyo sa screen, very attractive siyang tingnan. Kaya nga lang po kapag ganitong design is obvious yung ating mga fingerprints. And so here, makikita nyo guys sa left side ng phone na ito, nandito yung kanyang power button at the same time, yung kanyang fingerprint scanner. And which is I like kasi side-mounted na siya. And of course, sa left side naman yung buttons, volume rockers, and the tray. And sa tray niya guys, pwedeng 2 nano SIM cards ang ilalagay at isang slot for the SD card na rin. Sa upper, ayan, wala kang makikita. Then sa lower part, nandito yung kanyang speakers na holes malalaki, USB Type-C port, then microphone, and the 3.5mm audio jack. So as we turn this on, ayan, eto na yung screen display ni Oppo A54. So makita nyo, meron pa siyang chin. Yung screen size niya guys is 6.51 inches na siya. 1600 by 720 naman yung kanyang screen resolutions. And yung kanyang screen guys, in fairness, maganda naman. Medyo vibrant naman siya. But LCD lang po yung kanyang screen display. And kung makita nyo, smooth din naman yung kanyang screen. And okay naman yung kanyang icons. So, ayun na nga lang, no, LCD pa siya. But if it is not big deal for you, then there is no problem with it. And by the way, ColorOS 7.2 based on Android 10 na rin po siya. Ito naman yung kanyang cameras, guys. Meron siyang 13MP rear camera. Ayan. And the secondary is 2MP. That's for the macro and 2MP for the bokeh. And ito namang front niya, guys, is meron siyang 16MP selfie cam. Ayan. Meron siyang portrait. Meron siyang panorama. Meron siyang macro, slow-mo, time-lapse expert, sticker, and Google Lens. So, si Oppo A54, octa processor na siya. 128GB of internal storage na siya. And guys, 5,000 mAh na yung battery niya. And again, as what I have said a while ago, 120 na yung touch sampling rate niya. And yung refresh rate naman niya is 60Hz na rin. So, maganda na ito, lalo na sa gaming. Good thing about this as well is IPX4 na rin siya. So, splash water resistant na rin siya. And now, guys, let's go on na directly sa performance sa gaming niya. And makikita nyo dyan, super nice naman yung gaming performance actually sa Mobile Legends. It has high frame rate and high settings and it is very playable. You feel that? You have slain an enemy. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. And sa COD, low setting lang po yung kanya and high frame rate na rin po siya. nyo namang cameras, guys. So, in fairness naman, sa rear cam, makikita nyo naman na maganda naman yung rear camera niya. Malinaw naman. And detailed naman siya. And sa night din, guys, maganda kasi may night siya. May night mode siya. So, okay din yung kuha sa night. And, yun nga lang, may visible pa rin ng mga noise background. But, nagiging okay na siya. Mas nagiging bright siya compare sa natural lang na kuha. Ayan, guys, sa front cam naman, papakita ko sa inyo yung performance niya. With ring light support and without ring light. Ito yung video niya, 1080p at 30 frames per second ito. And gabi na ngayon. So, yung background ko is yung aking mga lighting. So, try natin, guys, na walang lighting kung maganda rin ba ang kanyang quality. There you go! Wala na po tayong backup light. Ayan, naka-off na po ating mga ring lights. And kung makita nyo, ganyan na ganyan po yung quality ng ating Oppo A54. So, anong masasabi nyo sa kanya? Malinaw ba? Well, for me naman, mas HD siya nung may ring light compare sa ngayon na wala ng ring light. And makikita ko rin na visible na rin yung mga noise background niya. But hindi naman siya ganoon talaga ka-annoying compare sa talagang low na quality na camera. Ito, okay pa naman din siya. And malinaw-linaw naman din. Ayan. So, at least, diba, hindi siya delay. At sakto naman yung quality. Hindi ganun ka OA din yung dating. So, ayan. Ayan, guys, yung camera niya, for me naman is maganda naman yung camera niya. Good enough na rin for the social media uploads, sa mga mahilig sa mga selfies, sa vein. Okay, kasi may beautification naman or AI beautification. You can turn it on kapag gusto nyo ma-enhance yung beauty. And if not, pwede naman yung natural lang. Sinapansin ko nga lang sa portrait niya sa likod, hindi talaga ganun ka-emphasize sa object. Nakita nyo naman yung performance din niya sa night. Okay naman din yung night niya. Although may mga noise background, mas nag-improve naman siya na naka-night kaysa hindi talaga naka-night mode. Ayan. So, okay siya sa low light, guys. Sa video, makita nyo naman na okay din naman yung quality. In fairness naman sa video niya. Ayan, sinapansin ko nga lang no, sa video is wala siyang video stabilization. So, yun lang. As a whole naman, so far, is okay naman yung experience. So, dahil unboxing lang naman to, hindi ko pa siya talaga na-test ng bongga, kaya hindi ko pa masabi ko ano talaga yung pinaka-performance niya to the highest level. But, ayun, so if you are looking for a phone na, ayan, maganda yung design, ayan, and side-mounted na yung fingerprint, maganda naman yung camera, okay naman din sa gaming. 5,000 na rin naman yung battery, so long-lasting na rin. Well, okay na to, guys, si Oppo A54 kasi maganda na rin naman siya. Pero if you are looking for a phone na mas maganda yung display, like AMOLED na, kung gusto mo talaga yung parang gaming processor na talaga, hindi ko siya masabing okay siya doon. So, ayan lang muna sa ngayon kasi this is just an unboxing video. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. Don't forget to like this video, share this video to your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Sa mga nakalimutan ko i-share dito, comment nyo lang below, okay? So again, maraming po salamat, and see you again, Katekis, to my next video, and bye!